This is about what we instruct our road personnel to do and or try to recognize any oddities that they might see or smell on the roadway or in our storm drainage systems. It could be in the creeks, whatever. And it could be anything from what they smelling like acetone, I'm just using that as an example, to seeing frothy soap type mixtures. We've had that in the past. First of all, when they do see this contaminant, for the lack of a better word, their first reaction is that they're supposed to contact the supervisor, either myself or the road foreman, and tell us where they're at and what they see. And then we will contact the township administrator, and or if we determine it's large enough, or when we've gone out to see this, whether we need the fire department. The administrator may have already contacted the EPA and let them determine whether they want to come out or not. But at any rate, the supervisors will go witness what the problem is. If it's something that we need to, small enough that we can contain, we will do so. If not, the fire, like I said, the fire department would be contacted. They can bring some of their larger absorbent diking pads, absorbent pads, and try to contain the problem. While that is possibly going on, we will then go see if we can find the source, and that may be following a site picture, whether it's an oil slick, if, like I said, something frothy, or the smell, to try and determine its source into the ditch. But once that is done, and it's really not anything in particular like an oil, it could be any unknown substance that we need to figure out what it is, contain it till we find out whether it's a good, bad, or stuff that the EPA would want cleaned up, cut,